Hello. It's going. I'm recording on my webcam because I forgot how to use my flip. Can't find it. Sad day. Anyways, sorry I haven't been making a video at all, really. Just I guess a little update. Where do I begin? I found out December 4th that I will be having a baby. And I am almost 20 weeks. Yeah, I know it's a little late, but I'm probably not gonna make a pregnancy vlog because I'll just forget. But if anything, exciting happens, then I will let you guys know. What else? My hair's a mess. Being pregnant is fun. Sometimes. I've been having really bad anxiety though, because, yeah, not fun. Because I can't feel it move yet. But, I mean, I think I feel it. I'm not sure. I mean, it's from my first baby, so I have no idea what is going on in there. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment for the gender. Woo! And then I will probably be making a gender reveal video tomorrow, and if I find out, because normally they won't find out until like 20 weeks, so it's a day behind. But still, that's also what I'm worried about, is if I go and they're like, nope, can't see nothing. Damn. But hopefully I can find out the gender tomorrow. Yay. And if it's a girl, it'll be Cassidy Michelle. And if it's a boy, then it'll be Jaden Timothy. Because my dad was a freaking retard. Yeah, my dad wanted me to name the baby, if it was a boy, after him somehow. So I was like, fine, whatever. That's what I did. I was like, anyways, yeah, I think I'll just upload from my webcam because I don't know how to work the flip. Well, I downloaded it before, but I guess the whatever setup or whatever got deleted or something. So I'll be using this until I can figure out that damn thing. Shay Carl, help. I love the Shay Tarts. They're awesome. I miss Fat Shay though, I have to say. I do. But anyways, what else is there? Oh, and the baby daddy is no longer with me. We are no longer together because he's a douchebag and he can go suck a dick. He basically said that I was lazy and that I laugh a lot. How dumb is that? And he dumped me over text. I mean, come on. Really? But it's whatever. Guess this baby will be without a dad. Like I was. when I was little and stuff. But alright, is there anything else? I guess I'll show you the belly, because there's really nothing else to do. Oh, wait, let's go this way. Yeah, I'm not wearing a bra, excuse me. This is my 19-week underwear shot. Oops. Pull that up. This is 19 weeks. I think you can see it. Oh, there you go. Sort of. So, I guess I will see you later. Goodbye.